Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hi there. Today on step 2, I'm going to show you how to do a heel jack. A heel jack generally comes from a vine. I'm going to try it to the right, show you how to do that. Side, behind, and heel jack out. There's a little and count to get my heel out. If I do that to the left, same thing. Side, behind, and heel jack out. Now, if I put those together, we're going to do right, side, behind, and heel jack. We're going to bring it back in and cross, side, behind, and heel jack. And either cross or just come back to your original position. A heel jack is generally done pretty quick. It's going to be a quicker step, so you may see that done a little bit faster in your dancing. And that's how you do a heel jack. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.